Now, when you talked about the activity tracking, it's a beautifully designed app because you'd shown it to me. So let me get a glimpse of that since we'll have some of this on video.
Sure, yeah, I'm happy to do it. So I can show you some of Thor's activity. So this is Thor's interface. He's got 14,000 steps today. If I tap this, then I can see his weekly activity here. And then we also have monthly here. So you can see that he was pretty active guy. And then this is like kind of the location part where you can see that he's at the fire office now, and that I do have a geofence around the fire office. So if Thor escapes, I'll get notified. And then I can go back in history and see every single walk that I took with him. So I took a walk with him a little bit earlier today. And this is me walking him across the bridge this morning, coming from my place.
That's so cool.
And
that's a beautiful app.
Yeah, so that's pretty cool. It's like this is in a good place. We're pretty excited about it. There is also a satellite view. So like we noticed that when people lose their dog, it's much easier to give them a satellite perspective of where the dog is, so that they can have like a kind of points of reference in the area. But yeah, this is working really well so far. We're pretty excited.